Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about the importance of affiliate marketing mentorship and give you the opportunity to be mentored by my mentor, who has allowed me to have a lot of success in the last year and a half online. And I'll say that in the previous years before this, I have never had this kind of success before, and it's all due to having a mentor and having someone who can guide me in the right direction, give me the right strategies, but also the right mindset that this is a long-term business and it's not something that you're going to have success overnight. And so it may be one thing that your mentor says to you that makes a whole difference to you as far as you continuing on or just having the kind of success that you want to have. So I want to share with you a new affiliate marketing mentorship that is available to you that just came out. And it's with my mentor, Joshua Elder. This is him right here. And what you're going to get with this, you're going to pay $1, and it's for a 30-day trial. And we're going to have live Q&A calls once a week. And you can ask any questions that you want. And the one that we did on just last night, Wednesday night, December 18th, was really good. We didn't talk a lot about strategies, but we talked a lot about mindset, and you think, oh, this isn't that important, but actually that's the most important thing, because people give up way too soon. And to surround yourself with like-minded people that are all there to help you, that's invaluable to me. That's, besides the mentorship that I've had with Josh, it's all the people that I've met through his mentorship program that have made a huge difference in my business. In fact, one gentleman, Aram, I think is his first name, shout out to you, because I was having some difficulty with setting up sales funnel and ClickFunnels, just having a lot of technical difficulties, and he just jumped on chat with me and he stayed with me until I got it completely done, and he actually made like a little video for me to show me how to do it. So there's just so many wonderful people that I've met through this mentoring program that have really helped me to stay accountable. That's another thing. You can find an accountability partner, because it's hard when you're out there on your own and you get discouraged, and you need that group of people to keep you going. And I think that these live Q&A calls are going to do that. It just helps bring you together and keep you focused. So what you're going to do, if you want to be a part of this, you're actually going to be a part also of the High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator Facebook group, as well as the weekly calls with Josh. So what you're going to do, I'll leave a link in the description below the video, but you'll just put your email address here, and then I'll take you to this page right here where you can listen to this video, and Josh is going to explain a little bit more about it. And then again, if you want to try it out for 30 days for $1, do that. I would highly recommend it, because like I said, this has allowed me to have more success online than I ever have when I found a mentor who really cares about me, which Josh does, and he's not just trying to teach you the latest and greatest thing. I mean, we do learn YouTube. That's our main strategy, but you can come on and ask any questions about affiliate marketing, and you can get them answered here. And again, you'll be in this group with a lot of like-minded people, and they're all there to help you. It's a wonderful group of entrepreneurs. I highly recommend that you take not the free trial, the $1 trial, and just check it out, get in the group, and see what this is all about, because I promise you, if you're looking to build a long-term sustainable business, you need to have those people around you just to keep you going, answer any questions that you might have. So check it out. First link in the description below the video. If you guys have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below the video. If you need to contact me, I do have my contact information in the description below the video as well. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.